Imagine stepping into a world where changing an F1 car tire, performing CPR, or scaling a virtual wind turbine could be your next career move. That's exactly what happened at this year's Tendring Jobs and Skills Fair, where job seekers didn't just browse opportunities, they experienced them. But here's where it gets even more exciting. This wasn't just another job fair. It was a hands-on, immersive event designed to spark curiosity and connect people with careers they might never have considered. Held on September 25th at the Princess Theatre in Clacton, the fair brought together residents, employers, and training providers under one roof. Organized by Tendring District Council, TDC, in partnership with the Department for Work and Pensions, Job Center Plus, it served as a highlight of the Tendring4Growth Business Fortnight. With around 1,000 attendees, the event was a bustling hub of activity, featuring exhibitors from diverse industries, from healthcare to renewable energy, all offering unique pathways into employment. And this is the part most people miss. It wasn't just about handing out resumes. Visitors were encouraged to try before they apply through interactive stations. Ever wondered what it's like to cook in a professional kitchen or navigate the heights of an offshore wind turbine via virtual reality? This fair made it possible, giving attendees a tangible taste of what different roles entail. The impact? It's real and measurable. Take Brightlingsea Harbour, for example. For the past 4 years, they've hired directly from this event. Last year, they met Millie, whose enthusiasm caught the eye of Deputy Harbour Master Owen Evans. Even though there were no immediate openings, Millie's attitude left such an impression that she was later offered a full-time role as an administrative assistant. Controversial thought. Could this be the future of hiring, focusing on potential over immediate qualifications? Millie shared, "The role at Brightlingsea Harbour was unlike anything I'd done before, but I was eager to learn, and now I'm loving it." Owen Evans added, "Millie stood out from the start, and we're thrilled to have her on our team." Councillor Ivan Henderson, TDC portfolio holder for economic growth, regeneration, and tourism, summed it up perfectly. Seeing people engage with new opportunities and discover their potential is what this event is all about. But here's the bold claim. Events like these aren't just about filling jobs. They're about transforming lives. They raise aspirations, challenge assumptions, and help individuals like Millie realize what's possible. As the Tendring4Growth Business Fortnight continues, it offers free events tailored for business owners, including sessions on supporting startups and reimagining town centers. Whether you're a job seeker or an entrepreneur, there's something here for you. For more details and to secure your free ticket, visit the Tendring4Growth Eventbrite page. Now, here's the question for you. Do you think immersive job fairs like this could revolutionize how we approach careers? Or is the traditional job application process still the way to go? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts.